everybody, welcome to E! Prime this evening. I am Kalia filling in for Dadrian. Reggae Sumfest Blitz sees increase in numbers and Stock Ashley headlines the event.
I feel like tonight is the night that really sets the pace for the weekend.
As Reggae Sumfest pre-events continues to build anticipation ahead of Festival Night 1 and 2 this Friday and Saturday, scores of patrons took to Catherine Hall Stadium for the highly anticipated Blitz All-Black event with headliner Stock Ashley and a special guest, the diplomat himself, Valiant. Patrons pleased with the performance.
Reggae Sumfest was amazing. I enjoyed myself. Stock Ashley performance was amazing. Valiant, you don't know. Yeah, right, that's up.
Some wanting more from the diplomat.
Valiant performance.
Shot. Valiant, he's great, but he performed too short, like 5 minutes. I feel it like I didn't like it just because he performed like for 5 minutes.
When E! Prime spoke to the dancehall brat, she was in a moment of bliss, expressing gratitude to headline the event.
I feel amazing. Like, what else could an artist want? Tell the truth. What else could you want but to be well received by, you know, like whomever you're performing to? And I think it was just amazing. Being recognized for what you do is an amazing feeling. And knowing that, you know, people appreciate the talent, people appreciate the work and want you to do stuff like this. Great.
Making her Sumfest debut back in 2023 on the big stage and now at one of the smaller scale events, she shared that the experience was equally fulfilling.
When I was booked for this is what I was looking forward to, and I just did this. I put the energy and the effort here, and I think it was worth it.
Meanwhile, disc jock Brush won the road marshal, who secured his third booking for the event, spoke to the growth of the event over the years.
The turnout is a solid 9 out of 10. Every year, we get more and more people. I remember the first year I do this event, the crowd has tripled since the first time I do this event. So it's amazing. Pick up the Sumfest team, whatever they're doing something right because the event keeps growing. So I love it.
The pre-events continues Thursday evening with the first staging of Global Fete, which will see the Shake It to the Max boss herself, Molly, making her Jamaican debut alongside the Zest boss, Young Brother, and the Philly herself, Marcy Chin. And that's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Kalia. Thank you for watching.